Hey there, it's Brittany and I'm back. It's my favorite day of the month. My gosh, it's Bargain Bead Box monthly subscription time. It is December 21st. They said they mailed this on December 8th and I'm just getting it today. So the post office is bananas right now. So December is, let's see, Silent Night. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays from our family to yours. This month's palette features a serene blend of blue and silver with a hint of festive sparkle. Highlights include Lapis, Lazuli, Pendant, and Faceted Rondelles, sparkling blue goldstone, electroplated agate, English cut sesame jasper, and bright crystal accents. Silver snowflakes, findings, and a crescent focal complete the package. So I know people have been getting this thing all month. I don't look at the unboxing videos because I like to be surprised. So I don't know what's in here. If you've already seen one, that's great. But I don't know. I did see a picture, like a video card, and I quickly looked away. I knew it was blue, but I didn't see anything that was actually in it. So if this is the first unboxing you're watching from Bargain Bead Box, you get everything in an organza bag and everything's labeled in little mini baggies. They also include a 30% off your entire order for the month, coupon code only for members. So if you're interested in signing up, I have a link below and it'll take you right to where you can put your information in and you can sign up. I'm going to get everything together and I'll be right back. Okay, so number one is 1 meter 4 millimeter steel Rollo jewelry chain, antique silver, lead, nickel, and cadmium free. I love Rollo chain. I like using it because it's a little bit more sturdy. I'll always use that, so that's perfect. They usually ask after the month is over how you felt about your beads, and last month I did not enjoy the bright macaroni and cheese gold, so I did give them that feedback. Usually don't hear back unless I say something on their site, and that's totally fine, but hopefully they'll listen. So number two is 6-piece 19 by 14 snowflake charms, antique silver, lead and nickel free. These are cute. I don't have any like this. That's the cool thing about snowflake charms. They can endless possibilities. Those are really cool. 4-piece 22 by 19 millimeter snowflake charms. This is a little different. I like that. I could do a nice cha-cha bracelet and have different charms. Number 4 is a 2-piece 15 by 14 crystal hexagon bead, slate blue iris. I have these from multiple like Jesse James beads mixes and going to Tucson, but they're super cute and you can't have too many crystals. I would never turn down a crystal. Very pretty. That was number 4. Number 5 is 3 sets of swirled toggle clasps, antique silver, lead, nickel, cadmium, or I'm sorry, lead and nickel free. These are cute. I don't think I have these. They're very simple. I like them. They're actually kind of tribal looking, which is cool. That's probably what I would use them for. And I lost the toggle part. There he is. Number 6, ooh, it's a cute pendant. It is 42 by 48 millimeter crescent chandelier focal, antique silver. So I like that. I actually started a box just for my antique silver, or not my antique silver stuff, just for chandeliers, because I was looking for chandeliers one day and I couldn't find anywhere in my entire studio. So now I have a box just dedicated to them that I know where the box is at all times. So number 7, 2 pieces crescent chandelier components. These are smaller. They're very cute. I love chandelier stuff. I don't typically use them a lot. However, I do have a really good idea that I'll be using coming up soon. I don't want to give too many ideas because I haven't really blossomed it, but I know where the beads are coming from that I'll be using on there. Number 8 is 7-inch strand, 8 millimeter frosted matte sesame jasper round beads dyed. Very nice. I think I have some of these, but not matte, that I got in Tucson. I never knew what the stone was, but it makes sense now that it's dyed sesame jasper. I know some people have said, you know, it's hard when you are looking at the background instead of the beads. Well, I have to be able to get between the beads, so sorry. Number 9 is 8-inch strand of 6x4mm crystal Rondelle beads, light sapphire, half silver. Wow, those are sparkly. They're like blinging all over the place. These are perfect for a winter bracelet. Number 10, 6mm 14-inch strand blue goldstone round beads, man-made. I love blue goldstone. I love how sparkly they are. They remind me of space. I love them so much. I will for sure use those. Number 11 is a Lapis Lazuli faceted hexagon pendant with brass bail. Nice. Silver brass though? That's interesting. That's pretty cool. It looks more like sodalite because there's not really any like pyrite flash in it, but it's really nice. It's really pretty. Number 12, 12-piece strand, 10mm electric plated agate beads, matte iris blue. Oh, they're little druzy agates. Very cute. I love those. You guys know I like that like mystic coating, iris coating. Number 13, I'm not going to open. It's just a 10-gram bag, 8mm dotted star spacer beads, antique silver. I'm loving this kit, man. Number 14, 20-piece bag, 8mm pressed glass star beads, crystal clear AB. I love little stars, and these would have been perfect for the earrings I made the other day. But the little Christmas tree earrings I made the other day, these are really cute. I really, really like those. Number 15 is a 10-gram bag of 7x5mm spacer beads, antique silver. Oh, those are nice. Very simple, but very nice. Number 16 is very interesting. 10-piece strand, 9x8mm hematite man-made snowflake beads, iris blue. These are awesome. If they end up having these on their site, I will be buying more because I haven't seen anything like these ever. Those are so cool. I love those. Number 17, a 14-inch strand, 4mm of their crystal bicones that they usually send every month. These are very sparkly too. I like these. Silver. Number 18, 35mm brass head pins with 1.5mm silver ball. Okay, normally I'm against them sending things like head pins and eye pins because they're not the best quality, and that's not what I signed up for this. But I do like that these have the ball on the end. However, these still aren't the best quality because look, it's bent. And normally head pins don't come like that. So these are very soft, not the best quality. Probably won't use them except for maybe like little tiny earrings. I don't want them to be like bad quality and then they break or something. So I probably won't use those very often. Number 19, 7-inch strand, 8mm English cut faceted round sesame jasper. Sesame jasper dyed beads. These are nice. They're a little rough cut. They're a little bit, they look like the Lapis Lazuli ones I have. I don't know if I have these in that or if it's blue goldstone somewhere, but these are a little rougher. I like these. These are really nice. Number 20, 50-piece 5mm star bead cap. Teeny tiny, not going to open them. So cute. They look a lot like the spacer beads. You can actually use them as spacer beads too, probably. And then last but not least, 7-inch strand, finely faceted Lapis Lazuli Rondelle beads. These are really nice. This is a great kit. These are gorgeous. These are stunning. Okay, so my favorite things in this kit were these Lapis Lazuli beads right here. These little rondelles. They're so pretty and they're so sparkly. I really like the pressed glass stars. I really like the whole kit, but and I really like these. I really liked everything, but I think these 4 items are my favorite, including the chandelier pendant. So there are my 4 favorite things. Let me know if you liked this month, if you thought it was better than last month. You guys know I love blue and I am not a huge fan of red, so of course I'm gonna like this one better than last month anyway. But thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if you're interested in signing up for Bargain Bead Box, I'll put all the information below. Just let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Have a good day. Bye-bye.